Good day everyone, this is our presentation about cultural appropriation and appreciation. We choose the 2017 Pepsi commercial ad with Kendall Jenner. In this ad, Kendall Jenner is shown leaving a photo shoot to join a protest. She then walks up to a line of police officers and hands one of them a Pepsi can. The crowd suddenly cheers and the ad makes it looks like the problem is solved just by sharing a drink.
This ad is considered cultural appropriation because it borrowed image from real social justice movements like Black Lives Matter without acknowledging the real struggle behind them. Protests are not just casual or trendy events, these are moments of pain, resistance, and activism where people fight for rights, justice, and equality. However, the Pepsi ad made it look like protests are something fun or trendy, and that serious issues like police violence could be fixed with a can of soda. By doing this, Pepsi used powerful cultural symbol just as decoration for marketing without respect for their meaning.
To make this ad more respectful and turn it into cultural appreciation, Pepsi could have worked with real activists or groups who will fight for social change. They could have shown true stories, sent a message of unity, or even supported those causes directly.
In short, the Kendall Jenner Pepsi ad is a clear example of cultural appropriation because it used images from real struggle just to promote a product. To move from appropriation from appreciation, companies need to respect the culture they are showing, listen to the voices, and represent them in a way that is honest and meaningful.